Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting episode lined up. If you're as eager as I am to see what's on the horizon, you're in the right place. We're exploring 4 EVs worth waiting for in 2024. So stay tuned all the way through so you don't miss out on what's to come. First up, it's the one that's been turning heads since 2019 and its dramatic unveiling, the Tesla Cybertruck. According to AutoTrader, this truck is expected to redefine the electric truck game and could lead to a seismic shift in the whole industry. With the Cybertruck finally being released in December 2023, you won't immediately be able to get your hands on one, and that might not be a bad thing. The first deliveries for the Cybertruck have been sold out for a while, and the first-time buyers will have to hold onto their keys for a whole year before they can even sell. Did you know that Tesla has a clause that stops buyers from flipping their trucks in the first year? If they do, they may have to pay them $50,000. It's part of Elon's plan to ensure that Cybertrucks aren't going to be flipped on the market like a cheap stock in their first year on the market. So, for those who have been holding on to their golden Cybertruck for years, what made it worth the wait? Well, the Cybertruck promises a futuristic design that's as bold as it gets, with its angular exoskeleton and unapologetically robust presence. This electric pickup isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's rumored to have a range of over 500 miles and lightning-fast acceleration. But the real excitement lies in Tesla's innovative approach to electric trucks. But like with all new generation vehicles, there are bound to be some kinks to work out. One of the biggest reasons there's been such a delay in Cybertrucks being released is manufacturing. This has been causing the company headaches for months, and we're eagerly waiting to see what adjustments or upgrades they'll need to make for the next model. We highly suggest keeping an eye on its performance this year and getting ready for its improved future models. Next on our list is the Rivia R1S, an electric SUV that's all about adventure. AutoTrader suggested that Rivia is gearing up to deliver an off-road experience like no other. So let's dive right into the details. First impressions matter, and the Rivia R1S doesn't disappoint. The R1S stands out with its robust and adventurous design. The front grille, unique lighting elements, and pronounced wheel arches give it a distinctive and bold appearance. It's an SUV that not only embraces its electric identity, but also signals a departure from the conventional aesthetics of its counterparts. Step inside the R1S and you're greeted with a spacious and luxurious interior. Rivia has paid meticulous attention to detail, combining premium materials with a modern and minimalist design. The cabin exudes an upscale feel, offering a haven for both driver and passengers during long journeys. The optional third-row seating adds practicality, making it a viable option for families seeking adventure in style. Now let's talk about what truly sets the Rivia R1S apart: its off-road capability. Rivia has engineered the R1S to tackle a variety of terrains with ease. The quad-motor setup, one for each wheel, provides exceptional control and traction, whether it's rocky trails, muddy paths, or snowy landscapes. The R1S is designed to handle it all. Under the hood, or should I say under the floor thanks to the skateboard platform, the Rivia R1S boasts an impressive electric drivetrain. The dual or quad-motor configurations deliver exhilarating performance. As for range anxiety, don't worry. The R1S offers a pretty competitive range at 314 miles, depending on how many drift turns you're doing off-road, that is. Like with the Cybertruck, we've just seen these hit the streets, and some consumer reports are beginning to surface some early maintenance issues. Rivia will certainly be likely to take quick action here, so keep your eyes out for the next generation models. Switching gears, we almost don't need to introduce this one, but we'll do it anyway. The Lucid Air. Picture this, a car that accelerates to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, glides over 400 miles before needing a recharge, and boasts a luxurious cabin. Can you name another electric car that can pull off all of these feats? The 2024 Lucid Air is a game changer, leaving rivals like the Porsche Taycan and the Tesla Model S in its dust. Lucid didn't stop at impressive specs. They've introduced the high-performance Sapphire trim for 2024. The Sapphire's mega power is complemented by a retuned suspension, carbon ceramic brake rotors, and extra sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. You will, unfortunately, pay for these insane stats, with the Sapphire model coming in at $250,500. Lucid achieves these extraordinary feats through clever tech, a unique battery design, and power-dense electric motors derived from their Formula E racing experience. The Air's interior, spacious enough for 4 adults on long journeys, might leave you wanting a bit more in terms of interior luxury at the nearly 6-figure starting price. However, its stylish and upscale cabin, combined with the promise of continuous improvement through over-the-air updates, makes it a compelling choice. So what's the scoop for 2024? The Pure trim is now exclusively rear-wheel drive, offering a tempting combination of power and efficiency. Lucid is also introducing new option packages, giving you even more flexibility to customize your Lucid Air experience, with features like heated rear seats, a power opening front and trunk, and soft closed doors. If you're eyeing an electric future, the Lucid Air should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget, all Lucid models come standard with 3 years of complimentary charging via the Electrify America charging network. Now that's a sweet deal. The 2024 Ford Mustang Mach-E may carry the Mustang name, but it's not your typical pony car. The connection to the iconic coupe is more about leveraging its legendary name than inheriting the roaring race-ready persona. But fear not, as the Mach-E carves its path as a swift, powerful, stylish, and exceptionally comfortable family crossover, boasting a host of features to win over any driver. Performance is where the Mach-E truly shines. Most trims offer a range of over 250 miles on a single charge, and if you opt for the GT Performance Edition, get ready to sprint to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. That's not far behind the mighty Shelby GT500. But let's talk about the star of 2024, the Mustang Mach-E Rally Trim. This variant takes the Mach-E off the beaten path with a focus on light, off-road adventures. The redesigned front end features fog lights and a bold red tow hook, while the tailgate sports a high-mounted spoiler. The standard tires have been upgraded for a slightly more aggressive grip, making the Mach-E Rally ready for new horizons. Something you should keep in mind is, by spring 2024, Ford plans to unlock access to Tesla's supercharger network for Mach-E owners. That means quicker and more convenient refills for your electric adventure. It's a move that enhances the Mach-E's practicality and long-distance usability with a vast array of Tesla supercharging options. Choosing the right trim is crucial. And, in our opinion, the premium model steals the show. It adds a touch of luxury that sets it apart from the more budget-friendly Select trim. Surprisingly, it even outshines the California Route 1 in terms of available features, with an estimated range of 310 miles when paired with the extended range battery and rear-wheel drive. The premium model strikes a balance between performance and practicality. We'd opt for the all-wheel drive version, sacrificing a bit of range for enhanced versatility at 290 miles. And there you have it, a sneak peek into 4 EVs that are definitely worth waiting for. Whether you're into futuristic designs, off-road adventures, luxurious experiences, or thrilling performance, the electric vehicle landscape is evolving to cater to every preference. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for your latest EV content.